Hi, today in this video I will show you how to create these paper bat. They are quite easy and beautiful to make, and you can use them as a home decor for your windows. You can hang them to the wall, to your door, as you prefer, and they are a great decoration for Halloween. So let's get started. We will need to create this paper bat, a piece of paper in white, because we will create our template. So to create our template we will need to fold enough our piece of white paper, and then with a pencil we will draw the template in this way. Okay, now we will need to cut the template with a pair of scissors. If you want, you can create your template directly on the black paper, but I prefer to have my template, so if you have to create more than one bat, it will be more easy to create them. Okay, here our template, and then now we will need to take a piece of black paper. And you can do in this way. You can fold enough, and this is like this one, with the line, the fold line in the middle. So fold enough for your template, and with the scissors cut along the lines, following all the line. Here in this way. Okay, the last part. Better to cut this. Okay. Last cut, and here our finished bat. We will need only to do this. If you want, with something round, you can do this to the wings, and so voila. The other way to create the bat is you can put your bat in this way on your black paper using a peg or a little piece of tape. You can cut around all the lines. Okay, we are at the end. Voila, here your bat, your paper bat without the line in the middle. Chook your pen and then take your pen and then round the wings. Voila. Here your finished bat. They are so nice and so easy to make. I will put the template of this bat on my blog, and I will put the link in the description of this video. So if you don't want or don't have the time to draw the template, you will find the template already made. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and see you next time with another great idea for Halloween. Bye bye!